I hope you're doing well. Anyway, I'm just checking in on you. Last time you guys saw me, was the last clip. I went to do my laundry. I couldn't finish it yesterday, so I finished this morning. And yeah, hubby and I are going to Omo Resort today for date night. So I'll give you the gist of it later. I'm just trying to rush out of the door. I just have a simple white tees, a short, and this jacket on. I just packed my hair because baby girl couldn't be bothered to wear a wig. The weather is hot. I'm going to take you guys along with me, and I hope we all enjoy this vlog. So guys, we are en route to Omo Resort. Yay! Crazy, so crazy. Anyway, see what I have going on. I remember I made one video one time and somebody said, you like to talk with your hands, why don't you wear rings just so we can have something to look at? So I got rings. Yeah, so I'm going to wear them today because they look cute. Wait for my legs first. I think for $1 or whatever. So yeah, we're on our way. I'm so excited. So excited. Alright, I'll see you when we get there. My people, we are here. We're at Omo Resort now. So Omo Resort now has like accommodation. I'm so sorry, it seems like my energy is low. I'm really excited. We're trying to confirm our booking for the accommodation and then go the other way to do activities. So yeah, so we paid for the full package for activity and then we paid for their highest room as well. It's just a one night kind of stuff. So excited. Donkeys, guys. Jesus Uber. Well, look what we have here is Jesus Uber, guys.
Are these donkeys? Yeah, I guess.
Yes, they have food.
This animal looks damn. This eland what?
No wonder they put barricade. Me for not use your horn to tear this thing fast.
If this thing choke you,
You don't go behind.
See that other one? Large. They really grew big.
It looks like a horse, but with
no cow. Looks like a cow with
massive horns.
Yeah. Wow. Oh my God, they create. See this other one here. I'm sure you guys are tired of seeing. Human beings, but here we are again. Just look at how huge this guy is. So huge. It's not so.
So guys, I don't know who taught this man how to do bow and arrow shape, but nice one.
Cool. You just wait. Yay!
So we took an accommodation, and this is the priciest room. It's 30,000 a night. Let's see what 30,000 a night can get you in Omo Resort. I don't understand the color theme of the room, but whatever. So it's just a basic room. Complimentary tea, chair by the side. The name of the guest house is Le Chateau. I don't know if I say well, guest house. Le Chateau. Okay. And then you have this mini fridge. It comes with wine and drinks, which are complimentary. So guess who is going to be flexing tonight? And I think this is the restroom, which is quite pretty. It's okay, fair enough. Yeah. The only thing I don't like is you can only check in from 3 p.m. and you have to check out by 11 a.m. Make it make sense, but aside from that, it's alright. I will go back and continue my ride. I'm tired for now.
2 hours later.
Good evening. I slept a little bit because I didn't sleep until 4 a.m. I was trying to finish up on some videos, thumbnails. So slept a bit, and I'm going back. I had it finished by 7 p.m. So I'm going back and do more rides. You made the right decision. It's about to drop. So this is the end of day one. We've done so many activities. I can't even begin to remember what and what we have done, but we've done a lot of activities, and yeah, we go again tomorrow. We're going to do all the water activities tomorrow, actually. Yeah. Hey guys, so this is dinner, rice and stew, dough and chicken. This is nice. Smells good too.
The next day.
Good morning, everybody. I literally just woke up. You can see my eyes are a bit swollen and puffy. Just woke up. They came to give us breakfast. Okay, yeah. Let me not lie. I woke up around 5 a.m. I woke up 3 a.m. rather. I woke up because I slept too early. From what I'm hearing now, I slept like a log of wood. Too damn tired. So I woke up. I conditioned my hair. I gelled the front of my hair and tied it down. And then I went back to sleep. So I just woke up again, and yeah, they just brought breakfast for us. Let me show you. It's complimentary. It comes with the room. This is what they gave to us for breakfast.
A few moments later.
Hey loves, so I'm dressed. That's a simple tee and a bomb short. blah blah blah. And then this hair, I didn't used to like it, but this very moment I'm liking it. So should I tie a scarf over it, or should I wear it like so? I'm a little confused on how I should wear it, but yeah, I'm ready for the day. Checkout's by 11. This is like 10-ish, and apply some gloves. It will be good. No wearing earrings because I'm doing water activities today, so and then the wig just covers everything, right? I'm going to go karting. I've been taking pictures since. Time for us to go kart. Oh yeah, I went to tie my hair.
My heart stops beating, I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Bye guys. You see that I did water slide gun. Wig did not shift up well. I went for boat cruise. A girl is tired to do that and go home. Okay, guys, so this is the end of day 2. That boat cruise was mad gone, like, and then they gave us souvenirs like I showed you. Have I showed you? Well, if I've not showed you, I'll show you. I'll put a clip somewhere showing you the souvenirs, and they gave us food. So Omo Resort is a great place to spend time with Bay family, whatever. It's really cool. This will be the end of the vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Thank you.